The engineer manifests the human. The engineer manages the human, technical, and financial resources for the industrial process. Its main objective is to optimize, saving money and time without sacrificing quality. Yeah. The industrial engineer work is based on three main axes: management administration, supply and logistics, process and quality. Studying industrial engineer offers you greater opportunities and knowledge that will help you stand out and lead in the business world. The objective of an industrial engineer is the continuous improvement of productive system of goods and service.